Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Windows security is not working or Windows security is not opening. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Hello, I am opening Windows security. Click on Windows security. Look, I cannot open Windows security and it is not working right now. The Windows security would not open, and that means you would not have access to process and operation related to updating and restoration features. If Windows security is not showing anything, start by running the system file checking tools. You can also try to scan and fix error using dism commands and change Windows 10 account. Another idea is to perform a system restore if you have any restore point activated on your system. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 security is not opening or not working. Now click on search bar, type PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Windows PowerShell has been opened. Now I'm going to maximize the font size. Right click on title bar and click on Properties. Now click on Font and select 24 size and click on OK. Now PowerShell font size has become large. That's why you can see my command easily. Okay, first of all, I am copying the first command and I will give the command in description. You can use these commands by copying from my description. Okay, now I copy the first command and paste it here. DISM online clean up image check health. It will check only your system image health. Now hit enter. The operation completed successfully. Now I am going to run the second command. DISM online clean up image scan health. Now hit enter. This command will scan the health of your system. It will take some little times. Look, scanhealth has been completed successfully, 100%. Now I have to run the third command, restore health. DSM online, clean up image, restore health. Just hit enter and it will restore the health of your operating system. Okay, restore health operation has been completed successfully. Now you have to run another command, that is sfc scan now. It will find all types of problem in your systems, and simultaneously it will repair the all types of problems find in your computer. Now hit enter. Scanning process has been started and it will take some time. Look, there is a system repair pending which require reboot to complete restart. Okay, we will restart our computer later because we have to do something more. Now close Windows PowerShell. Now you have to update your computer. Click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Update and Security. Look, update has been pending for restart my computer. My computer has been updated, but it needs restart. And if you find any pending update, you have to update your computer and then restart the computer. Okay, I will restart my computer later. Let's minimize it. Now click on services. Open services. Now scroll down. This is security center. Right click on security center and click on properties, and you have to check that the security center service status is running. Okay, if it do not running, you have to stop and start the security center. Okay, the security center is still running and it is automatically. There is no problem with the security center. Okay, now close security center. Now again open Windows Update. Now you have to restart your computer. You can restart from by clicking here, or you can restart manually. I will restart my computer manually. So close this window. Now click on Start menu. Click on Power button, and now click on Restart to restart your computer. After restarting your computer, hope your problem has been solved. Now I am going to check whether Windows security is working or not. Click on search, type Windows security, click on Windows security app. Look, Windows security is opening right now. Now another way, type Windows security, click on app and browser control, reputation based protection. These settings protect your device from malicious or potentially unwanted apps, files, and websites. Okay, and the settings to block potentially unwanted app is turned off. Your device may be vulnerable. Okay, click on turn on. Okay, now my system is protected from malicious apps and files. Okay, now close it. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.